Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover design menu. Let's begin. There are 3 sections. First section is themes. Second section is variants. And third section is customize. Let's begin with first section. That is themes. Under themes, we can use Office themes. Enable content updates from office.com. Browse for themes. And save current theme. Next section is variants. Under colors, we can use different colors, customize colors, and reset slide theme colors. Under fonts, we can use different Office fonts and customize fonts. Under effects, we can use different Office effects. Under background styles, we can use different background styles, format background, and reset slide background. Next section is customize. Under slide size, we can use standard and widescreen slide size. Also, we can use custom slide size. Under format background, we can use solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture fill or pattern fill. We can hide background graphics and set color and transparency. We can apply to all slides and reset background. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Microsoft PowerPoint interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.